Hi students. Today we are going to discuss about the our next topic, that is electric field and electric field intensity. So in current electricity, the first topic is Coulomb's law in electrostatics, and the next topic is electric field and electric field intensity. So now, what is electric field? Okay, now this is a charge Q, and around this charge an influence area of its an influence area is exist around this charge. So now how we define the space around a charge in which its influences exist is called electric field. Okay, what is electric field? The space around a charge in which its influences exist is called electric field. So now what is its influence? So the influence is whenever we take another charge, we brought another charge to in this field, so it experiences some force of attraction or repulsion. So that's why, so the space around a charge in which, so the another definition is the space around a charge in which other charged particles experiences a force. So the space around a charge in which other charged particles are experiences a force is called electric field. Okay, so the electric field is the area around a charged particle in which other charged particles are experiences a force is called the electric field. Okay, so now we learnt about the electric field intensity. So in that electric field, how much force is experiences, how much force is exist is taken as electric field intensity. Okay, suppose if this is a charge Q, so around this charge an electric field is exist. So suppose this is the region around the charge in which its influences exist. So now we brought one test charge. So the test charge Q naught, one test charge Q naught into the field. When we brought one more charged particle, that is here test charge. So test charge means unit positive charge. Unit positive charge. So the magnitude is very small. Okay, the magnitude of test charge is very small and it have positive charge. So that charge here we take unit positive charge or test charge. Whenever we brought a test charge into this field, it experiences some force. If the source charge is positive, then the test charge repel. When this source charge is negative, the test charge attracts towards the source charge. Okay, now due to this source charge, the test charge experiences some force. So now the electric field intensity is defined as the force experienced by the unit positive charge. the force experienced by the unit positive charge in an electric field is called as electric field intensity. So what is electric field intensity? The force experienced by the unit positive charge due to the source charge is taken as electric field intensity. So we indicate electric field intensity with a E. So E is equal to the force experienced by the unit positive charge, that is test charge. Okay, suppose the unit positive charge is brought near to the source charge and the distance between these two is smaller, then what is the force of attraction, force between the two charges? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q is source charge and Q naught is test charge. The distance between the two charges is r, that's why r square. So this is the force between the two charges. So and per unit positive charge, that's why by Q naught. So Q naught get cancelled, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square. So the electric field intensity at a point from this, so at a point uh, of the distance, so the electric field intensity in an electric field at a distance of r from the source is given by E is equal to 1 by, so E is equal to, the basic definition is F by Q naught and the equation is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square. Okay, so from this equation we write that the electric field intensity is depends upon 1 by r square. So the electric field intensity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the source and the test charges. Okay, now we write the units and dimension formula for electric field intensity. So we discussed that what is electric field? The force on unit positive charge in an electric field is taken as electric field intensity. So here electric field intensity E is a vector quantity. So that means E have magnitude and direction also. What is the direction of electric field? So the direction of electric field intensity is the direction in which a unit positive charge tends to move. So whenever we brought a unit positive charge in an electric field, in which direction the unit positive charge tends to move, in those direction we take the electric field intensity. Suppose if this source charge is positive, the test charge, so here test charge is small unit positive charge, that's why, so it repel, that's why the direction of electric field is outwards the source charge. Suppose if the source charge is negative, then the direction of electric field intensity, so unit positive charge attracted by the source charge, that's why the electric field intensity is inwards the source charge. Okay, so now the next SI unit for E. So what is SI unit for E? So force on unit positive charge, that's why Newton per coulomb. So in other words, Newton coulomb universe. So the unit for electric field intensity is Newton per coulomb. Now we write dimensional formula. What is the dimension formula? So for force, the dimension formula is, for force the dimension formula is MLT minus 2 is the dimension formula for force. And what about Q? The dimension formula for charge is I into, so I T. The dimension formula for charge is I T. So the dimension formula for electric field intensity is M L T power minus 2 by t, that's why t power minus 3. So here by I, that's why I power minus 1. So this is the dimension formula for electric field intensity, m l t minus 3, t power minus 3, I power minus 1. Okay.